I'm David Prescott. I'm the CEO of the Warbird Factory. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, but I've always had a passion for aviation. Everything from building small model airplanes as a child on a farm in Iowa to now owning some of the dream airplanes that I built models of as a kid. I'm an owner-operator, meaning I actually own the aircraft that I fly, as well as having the opportunity to fly Warbirds for other foundations around the country. After high school, I joined the Navy and joined the nuclear propulsion program. The nuclear propulsion program is highly regarded for integrity. What do I mean by integrity? What I mean by integrity is very focused on quality of work and integrity behind that work being delivered and ensuring that you're doing it the right way and to the best ability that you can every time. The founding principles of the Warbird Factory is being customer-centric. And what I mean about being customer-centric is what I've learned in all my experiences with all the businesses I've owned is that focusing on what the customer wants to receive and what the customer's desires are help drive a better product. One of the things many people don't understand with Warbirds is unlike today's cars that are designed to run without maintenance, for several years, these planes were developed and designed in the 40s. These aircraft were built when labor was very plentiful and it was very commonplace for these aircraft to be worked on every day and after every flight. One of the challenges that we're trying to solve for the Warbird community is bringing that maintenance back and that attention to detail back. We understand the value of these aircraft and the historical significance of these planes. You'll find that we increase the value of your plane and increase the serviceability of your aircraft so that it's available to fly when you want to fly it.